house, fly swimming in my sweet tea. Hey, darling, pass another curd jar to me. Butter dripping off a biscuit, baby, better take a bite. Cantaloupe crumps like it's finally right. Box fan on a lawn chair, sucking in swamp air. 200-mile marker signs from nowhere. That's what country is. It ain't a rebel flag you bought at the mall. It's a hideaway bed in an old horse stall. Two kids getting caught stealing a Boone's Farm kiss. It ain't a John Deere cap that's never fell in the cotton. It's a Jimmy Rogers song that was long forgotten. It's homemade peach ice cream on sunburned lips. That's what country is. When the sun starts slipping from the delta sky and the last scarecrow tucks in for the night, make a fire, throw a blanket on the sandy bank. About an hour till we feel the first catfish yank. Barefoot cane pole waving at the riverboats, and when they're gone, take a dip in the moon glow. That's what country is. It ain't a rebel flag you bought at the mall. It's a hideaway bed in an old horse stall. Two kids getting caught stealing a Boone's Farm kiss. It ain't a John Deere cap that's never fell in the cotton. It's a Jimmy Rogers song that was long forgotten. It's homemade peach ice cream on sunburned lips. That's what country is. Truck that's never seen a pasture. It's cars pulling over for a no-cab tractor. It's homemade peach ice cream on sunburned lips. No, it can't be bought. It's something you're born with. That's what country is. That's what country is. What country is. That's what country is. I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work, road rage jerks, shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on a state paved road, but that blacktop runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but this year ain't been no bumper crop. If you don't like the way I'm a-driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise, sit tight and be nice and quit your honking at me that way. 'Cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. Hey,
make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my blower, chugging, lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Well, I know you got your own deadlines, but cussing at me won't save you no time, hoss. This big wheel wide load ain't going any faster, so just smile and wave and tip your hat to the man up on the tractor, 'cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. Hey, that's what I make. I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugging, lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my flower, chugging, lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Yeah.
Gears that grind. Girl, it's a doggone pity we ain't been getting any time. I've been preaching about back home, how it can make you feel so alive. Tell you what we can do, baby, let's me and you take a little drive. Welcome to the farm, you can roll your windows down. Baby, take my arm. I ain't hearing nothing, such a beautiful sound. We can take the tractor down the road, go walking around the bend, lay by the river, climb up in the barn. Welcome to the farm. Yeah, yeah. There ain't no card in your pocket ever gonna turn that old gas pump on. It's cash for everything around here. That's just the way it's been for so long. How you like how cold from a green glass bottle? It's colder than that plastic stuff. Watch how Miss Annie at the counter tells that story about me wrecking my truck.